Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. It's in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday. It's today Wednesday, and I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the additional of the yesterday edition. Tuesday, October the 17th, 2023. And we have 3 puzzles left in this additional. I've already solved 2 of them. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku. And it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. This one will be number 7295. 7295. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Alright. 17. It's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes here. With only 1 single box. Always a 1. Okay, next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Nope, triple boxes here. I see a couple of quadro boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have a quadro box in an L shape. And when you see a quadro box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. And the other numbers, well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here we have another quadro box. The inside box is always a 5. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy now is to look for shapes. Look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Need to recognize, for example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 2 of them. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 2 of those shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have... Oh, need to move on. Okay. You cannot see this shape I've drawn a minute ago. Okay. 2 shapes. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of those shapes that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then, Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. Then... Well. Let me think. These 3 boxes. Sorry. These 2 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Oh well. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. But also these 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4, 5, 3. Well, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes are left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. Or those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So the other pair should be in this area, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. But also that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. If I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left the 4 should be here. Alright. And now, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. No 3 there. Oh, we have a 3 here. 3. Well, 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. Well. Think. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 2 boxes. Surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and 1, 4 and 1. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. Alright. Okay, and now these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this quadra box. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. That means... Well, that means I need to wait. This box... Oh, wait. Wait. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Well, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a double 5 now. So that means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. Alright. Okay. And now. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated a 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, so 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday.